Hello my dear viewers and students, welcome to Hindu NEET Biotutorials. So in this session, I am going to tell about very important books about NEET biology. So students, the first thing you must do is to choose a right book that leads you to success, and as well as to read the material that you have in a proper manner is also very important. So I am going to give a list of books that you have to read, and as well as some tips how to read these books and how to practice objectives. In this video I will tell. So students, so as you know that the very important book that you must read is NCERT books. The 11th class and 12th class NCERT books are like Bibles for NEET. From these NCERT books, 80 to 85% of questions will appear. So in order to do this 80 to 85% of questions, so reading only NCERT is not enough. That point you must remember. See students, NCERT has lot of content and you must read line to line, word to word, and each and every diagram, each and every example you must note down. So that is primary thing. So students, without doing these kind of things, you cannot get a command over NCERT. While you are doing first time, so students, you have to underline important concepts, important terminology, important example, or you must make a proper notes. Why? Because here when you are doing revision, it may save a lot of time, right? And while you are reading NCERT, you can have somewhat extra information from net or from other sources. See, some questions they have asked in such a way that they are having in connection with NCERT, but unless you have some extra information, you cannot answer those questions. So that's why I can tell you clearly is that you must read NCERT, but you also should have some additional knowledge apart from NCERT in connection with NCERT concepts. Okay, that is the very important thing that you must remember. So students, apart from NCERT books, so you know that NCERT exemplar published by NCERT is also very important. So why? Because so they have given a plenty of questions, subjective as well as objective questions they have given in that one, which are conceptual based, and thinking oriented questions are there. So these are all like a model question for NEET. So that's why everyone must practice. These are available in NET, and as well as so many publications are publishing this one. You can have a practice this one, right? So then the second thing, your institution materials. So students, so you might have joined somewhere in some institute. So for 2 years, 11th and 12th, you have studied with respect to that books. Here, why? Because the faculty of that institution will teach based on that book. So you also learned the books and practiced and wrote many exams, right? So here that material is that material you must follow, and you must practice all objectives present in that material, right? The NCERT plus your institution material, that is whatever subjective or objective material provided, you must read. That is a basic thing. Then if you want to further explore, you want to have some more additional knowledge, then you can go for any other theory book, or otherwise if you want to have additional practice over objectives after completing the objective whatever you are having, can go for other books like Truman's Elementary Biology. First book I prefer. Why? Because this book is having theory and as well as objectives. So here so volume 1 and volume 2, two books are there for 11th class and 12th class. So here while you are studying 11th class or 12th class, you can take these books during your academic year, you have to read thoroughly, right? Then having appropriate knowledge and enough of knowledge over the different concepts, then you can go for practicing objective of Truman. Truman's objective book gives you a number of questions and which contain many of the additional knowledge related concepts, right? So here this objective book gives sufficient practice for you. You can buy that book, right? So if you want to go for any other book, MTG Fingertips. So this MTG Fingertips is majorly according to the NCERT. So number of questions are not too many, but still you can practice. So different category of questions they have given in that one, you can have a nice practice. So you can complete that one very easily. And synopsis also has given. So here and there some extra points and extension from the NCERT points are also given. You can have this one, and for objective orientation, this is one of the good book. Then after this one, I suggest Pradeep Publication Biology. So here simple language, and you can have a practice of objectives in this one. Very nice book. And after this one, Objective Biology by Dinesh. So here, after reading different concepts from NCERT or your institution material or any other theory book, you can go for this one. So synopsis and as well as practice of objectives is good in this book. Then after this one, so after enough of reading theory, right, and as well as practicing your institution material, and next one NCERT exemplar, so you can go for practice of this previous year question papers. So as this exam pattern has been changed, so you can go for at least 15 years of question papers. So where you are practicing these objective questions, so you also look into the rest of the three options apart from the answer. So that gives you a plenty of knowledge. So why? Because when you are having thorough knowledge about all three questions, for example, if you have practiced 20 questions, see here 20 into 3, other 60 different types of concepts or examples or other things you can have a proper knowledge. Okay, so that is a way of practicing. So students, I'm not telling you to buy all these books and read. Don't do like that. Read NCERT first, then your institution material or whatever the material provided to explore some additional knowledge. So you can buy any other book. For example, Truman's Biology. So as I told, it has a nice diagrams. Next one, very simple language, you can understand very easily. You can go through this one. And one more thing, where you are reading, okay, these NCERT books or your material or this Truman's Biology, better suggestion is to note down important points. Why? Because every time you cannot open and you cannot go back and read the book. So that is the success principle, to note down important points and as well as to revise these important points regularly is the very important concepts for everyone. Okay, so these are some of the important books and tips to read. Students, I hope this may help you in your preparation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe my channel to get updates. Thank you all.